Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, you should see a couple of options like call reminder, SMS reminder, and app reminder. Basically, we have three types of notifications, and we can tap on, for example, call reminder. And here we can enable the notifications for calls by tapping on the switch. And if you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you need to tap on I got it and then allow the required permissions. And once you allow the permissions, the notifications will be enabled, and you can enable or disable them by tapping on the switch. And also you can enable or disable a couple more options like reject call with the key. So basically, when somebody is calling you, you can reject the call by pressing the side button on your watch. And also you can enable the call or delayed reminder, delayed notification. So if somebody calls you on your phone, you have the delay set, the watch will wait for the period of time you set as delayed, and then it will alert you about the call. So for example, you enable the option, tap right here to select the delay. For example, let's set it to like 10 seconds, like this. Now, if somebody calls me on my phone, the watch will wait 10 seconds and then it will alert me about the call. Okay, let's go back to the device page. Now tap on the SMS reminder, and here we can enable the notifications for the SMS messages. So tap on the switch, tap on I got it, allow the permission, and now we should be able to receive the notifications about the SMS on our watch. And last one is app reminder, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for the specific apps. So we can tap on confirm, it will redirect us to this page. Now find the GloryFit application on this page, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, go back to the app and you should be able to enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. Basically, to enable or disable the notification for the app, simply tap on the switch next to it, like this. And you can enable it for different apps, as you can see, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Hangouts and stuff like that. But if you don't see the app you want to enable the notifications for on this list, you can tap on select more app button at the bottom. And here we should see more apps. Maybe we need to tap on select more app. Yes, we need to. This will open this page. You can select the app by tapping on it. And once you select it, it's gonna be here on this list. Okay. And once you're done customizing the notification settings, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. For some reason, I didn't receive the notifications or notification on my phone. Let me see if the notifications are allowed for Discord. There should be. No, this time we got it. We got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. And if you miss the notification, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen on the home screen to open the notification menu. And here we have it. We can tap on it to read it. We can tap on the pen icon to clear it. And once you're done, you can press the side button. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.